everybody, Sandy Boucher here and welcome back to my world. I'm having an amazing day. It's a new year and I have a ton of exciting things on my day book. And as I was getting ready for my next meeting and doing all the girly stuff, the hair and the whole bit, I was giggling to myself because I was thinking about all of the concern, and I'm not trying to minimize this or make light of a very serious situation. What I'm referring to is homeland security and the fear of the terrorism and the heightened procedures at the airports. And why I was giggling was because I was thinking I have developed my very own personal homeland security system. For me, security comes in knowing that there are certain things I can bet on. And I like to bet on things that are stable. What I bet on is me. I was talking to a friend who is a very qualified individual, and he is looking at the potential of losing his job. That's a reality for many, many people I know. Organizations where before security, job security was a given, those words don't even exist anymore. But I exist, and I believe in me. I've said time and time again that I am so thankful, genuinely thankful for the challenges of my life. I grew up in an amazing, loving home that didn't have running water. You know what that gives me now? That means every single time I go use the little girl's room and flush the toilet, I'm ahead of the game. I have had a period in my life where, without being dramatic, I'm being literal here, I was so broke that I was selling furniture for food to feed my children. I can go look in the fridge and think, you know what? I'm doing okay. Of course I want more. The point is, I know if it came down to it, I can survive and don't need more. And there is a great comfort in that. I enjoy spending time with my partner. I don't need him to make me happy. I don't need the sun to shine for me to have a great day. And I don't need someone else to give me a job, because I know I have the ability and the skills to make it and find new opportunities if I have to. Today I invite you to look back on your life and the challenges and the peace that they give you. What kind of hardships have you survived? What kind of skills have you acquired? I bet you have quite a few if you take the time to do the inventory. Develop your own homeland security. And then tomorrow wake with a smile on your face, knowing that no matter what those outside forces do, you're going to be just fine. Have an amazing day, my friend. You deserve it. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.